Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing the wet styling for pin curls. And beforehand I had washed her hair fully and applied a little bit of gel so that way the ends don't stick out when I'm doing the pin curls. And I also just wanted to let you guys know that the bottom row is counterclockwise and the other row is clockwise, and you just continue that along the head.
Yeah.
And this is the finished look. We're going for a 1920s feel. I really enjoyed doing this look. It came out beautiful. I think it comes out very elegant and sophisticated. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.